What should I do if I am arrested, charged, and detained out of state? Attorney Brian Sloan says, it depends on what happened after the arrest, such as if they were actually booked into custody, or if they were released. If they were released, they will be given a citation and a court date and told how important it is to contact an attorney as soon as possible, hopefully while they're still in Arizona. If they don't have an order telling them to remain in the state, they can go home. But as soon as they get home, they should contact a local Arizona attorney to assist them. Depending on the court, most of the time when people from out of state contact me, I can handle most, if not all, court dates without them. I can show up on their behalf, they can stay home, and they can continue working. Those from out of state who are booked into jail will see a judge who will give them their release conditions, which may be pretrial services, or they may have to post a bond, or they may be released on their own recognizance. Sometimes their release conditions include not being allowed to leave the state without permission of the court. People have to acknowledge and review their release conditions because they don't want to violate the terms of their release. That's why it's so important to contact a local attorney to assist them with their pending charges, to make sure that they're doing everything necessary to make sure that a warrant is not issued, and to make sure things go smoothly in the court system. If someone from California got a DUI in Arizona and went back home to California, they shouldn't hire a California lawyer. That won't help them. They need to get in touch with an Arizona attorney, and I would recommend that they do the research and find an Arizona attorney who focuses on DUI defense. They may ultimately have to contact a lawyer from their home state, but usually not. Lawyers don't usually cross state lines. When they are admitted to practice law, it will usually be in one state. If you are from California and got a DUI in Arizona, you'll probably spend a lot of money on a private lawyer in California who will then probably just act as a middleman, take their cut, and contact an Arizona lawyer to represent you. There is no reason for someone to spend all that money for what is basically a referral. DUI lawyers tend to represent people only in their state. There are some states that are so close to each other that sometimes attorneys will go over the state lines if they are permitted to practice in the other state. But we're talking about Maricopa County, Arizona, which is where I practice, and we're pretty much right in the middle of the state, so I don't practice in any states other than Arizona. For a free consultation, call Attorney Brian Sloan at 602-357-8980 or visit his website at www.arizdui.com.